Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. Because she's gonna have to bear the burden on this. They don't care anything about it.
Good afternoon.
Hi, did she tell you?
Yeah, she
Okay.
sent me over here to take a look.
Okay.
See what's going on inside.
Okay, the air conditioning stuff, the people behind here,
Is it open?
the people behind here, they're somehow accessing my venting system, my heating venting. Had gasoline smell coming into my unit. And they evidently do not care because they climbing up on top of y'all's roof. They climbing up on top of your roof at night. And whoever it is, I don't know who it is, but the thing of it is that yes. The thing of it is that she's gonna have to bear the burden, not me.
Okay. You're not using this for heat, are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to. No. I have to.
That there.
Yeah, I have to. I have to be warm somewhere in this place.
Right.
And I'm recording. I have to be warm.
You go ahead and put that back up so I gotta get pictures.
Huh? And cold air coming off from under there.
Well, that's an outer wall.
Yeah. Yeah, cold air is coming off from under there. So.
Okay.
No. You might want to take a picture of the hole up here. The hole up here. Yeah. The hole that's hated right behind this thing. It's a hole.
That's just
No, a hole like they removed a fan.
Okay.
But they didn't cover it.
All this is it used to vent out. It don't vent out anymore.
Oh,
this is just going into the opening right here.
Right, but there's a hole behind it.
This don't vent out to nowhere anymore. It's just opening right in here.
Yes.
That's all that is. It don't go outside, nothing.
Right. Well, it's cold air. Cold air coming into this unit. I'm supposed to be packing my things. Not in here trying to keep warm. No, you might want to get that black mold too. Black mold right here. Black mold. That's black mildew, black mold from the ceilings leaking. Bedroom. Yeah. Yeah, they have access to my venting system. So, where is your tools that you're supposed to be fixing?
I'm just getting this for right now, so I know what I need to do.
Yeah, well, you know what? I think it's so late because y'all ain't got a footing. There's been too much going on here. You want to take a picture of the roof leaking?
I'm just getting this right now, so I know what all's going on.
What all to fix? What all to fix?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Yeah, just cold air. Cold air. Cold air. And this is the thing that you see this stuff I spent my money on to try to help keep the place together. And they evidently, these neighbors doesn't want that. Mm-hmm. Here's the light. And I cocked all this.
Okay. Thank you.
You might want to take a picture of the tub. The tub's been peeling and it's been, and I can't even stay in here. They got all kinds of stuff going on. I've had to be forced into the living area. Yeah. And it's a big, huge gash. You see this? Big, huge gas. Cold air coming off from under there. Cold air.
Oh shoot! I didn't have it on video. I gotta start over again. Sorry about that.
I did that earlier. I did it earlier. Yeah. Yeah, that's ridiculous. I don't supposed to be having to live like this. I'm supposed to be able to live from room to room. Oh, gee, I'm so tired. She said that she was going to, she's supposed to have been checking over there and over there.
Supposed to be doing what now?
Nadia says she was going to check
Okay, well, we have
over there and
them.
over here to make sure that they're not having access to any unit. And they also, cold air, just cold air. You see the ceiling here? You see the ceiling? Here, let me turn on this light. Yeah. You see the ceiling?
I got it.
All of this. The ceiling, you could tell that there's something going on here.
The phone keeps flipping back the picture.
Mm-hmm.
It's an older phone.
Yeah.
I got that.
Mm-hmm. But do you see this here? This is where, I mean, just cold air. Cold air. Are you hearing me?
I hear you.
Okay.
I hear everything you say.
Okay. And I don't know what that is, that white stuff, that speck, whatever that speck is, but they didn't put, whatever that speck is, the white speck that makes the crinkles on the wall. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they got that just plastered over it, but it's a thin, I don't know what kind of drywall they hung up there for a ceiling, because it's not.
Oh, trust me, it's
cold air, just cold air coming off from under. the cold air is coming off from under the kitchen sinks and the thing. And there's people helping to keep y'all's places and run your occupants away. And over here, Robert's place, them people are involved in doing it. I would have liked to stay here as long as I could, but I can't stay here like this. I'm not being able to cook.
Okay, well, let me go show this to her.
Okay.
I'll have her get back with you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. You have a good Christmas.
Well, I'm trying. I had a birthday yesterday.
Oh, happy late birthday.
Thank you, love. Thank you. What is your name again?
Bye.
Mike. Thanks, Mike.